Welcome to our channel. Today we how to build a content calendar with CoSchedule, complete guide step by step clearly.
Start by logging into your CoSchedule account. Once you're logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Find the Calendar tab on the left sidebar and click on it.
This will take you to your main content calendar view.
To create a new content calendar, look for the plus new button at the top right corner and click on it. Choose Content Calendar, give your calendar a name that reflects its purpose.
Select the relevant team members you want to collaborate with on this calendar.
Click Create Calendar to finalize the setup. Next, you'll want to add your first piece of content. Click on the date you wish to schedule content for. A pop-up will appear, allowing you to add a new post.
Fill in the title and any relevant details about the content.
Choose the content type, such as blog post, social media, or email newsletter. Set the publication date and time for the content. Once you've entered all the information, click Save.
Repeat this process for each piece of content you plan to include.
To organize your calendar visually, consider using color coding. Access the settings by clicking on the gear icon in the top right corner.
From there, you can customize the colors associated with different content types. This will help you quickly identify the type of content scheduled for each day. Additionally, use the tagging feature for better organization and categorization. Create tags that are relevant to your specific projects or themes. This allows for easier filtering of content later on. To recap your calendar at a glance, utilize the week and month views. These views provide a comprehensive overview of your content schedule. This will help ensure you stay on track with your content goals. Finally, integrate analytics tools to measure the performance of your scheduled posts. This will allow you to refine your content strategy over time. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.